Sometimes when you write informative text, your writing sounds like a list of facts, and that can be boring to a reader. Today I'm going to show you how to make your paper flow more smoothly by adding transition words or phrases. These words are also called linking words. This is not new to you, but I wanted you to spend some time today trying some different words or phrases that you may not have used before. The checklist does include linking words as an element of an informative text. Let's look at the list of examples of transition words or phrases. Some of these words show time order like first, second, next, then. Other linking words like also, in addition, and furthermore help to signal that new information is coming. Let's use the following steps to add transition words to help your paper flow more smoothly. First, read the paragraph and decide where you add new information about the topic. Next, choose a linking word or phrase to add to your sentence. Then read the paragraph again to see if the words you added helped the paragraph flow more smoothly. After you finish the introduction paragraph, you will follow the same steps for each paragraph. So I will begin by reading my paragraph. Can you imagine what it would feel like if the earth was to move or shake under your feet? Well, when that happens, it's called an earthquake. Earthquakes occur about one time every minute all around the world. Some earthquakes are not noticed or cause huge destruction. I decided to use the transition phrase for instance. So now let's reread the paragraph. Can you imagine what it would feel like if the earth was to move or shake under your feet? Well, when that happens, it's called an earthquake. For instance, earthquakes occur about one time every minute all around the world. Some earthquakes are not noticed or cause huge destruction. Today, your first step is to continue adding paragraphs using the subtopics you circled on your graphic organizer as your guide. Then you will follow these steps to add transition words to your paper. The first step you need to take before adding transition words is to read back over your entire piece. Then read one paragraph at a time to decide where transition words are needed to make your writing flow and not just sound like a list of facts.